Hi guys, it's Elsie. Welcome back again to my channel, and today we have a new room that is successfully booted on my Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. This room is DotOS version 5 based on Android 11, and this is ARM64 AB build. So let's gonna see what's inside or what would be the bugs in this room. So in the lock screen, guys, this is not the lock screen. On top of that, there is a unlock icon here and the logo DROID on time. So this is now the home interface. It looks like a pixel experience, but all of the custom room is look like this. So let's head into the bloatware. Actually, there is a 11 bloatware in this room. There is a browser, calculator, camera, clock, contacts, files, gallery, messaging, phone settings, and SIM toolkit. As you can see, there is no Google application included in this room. There is no G apps, and it's quite a basic room for us. But if you want to, if you want to have a Google application, you can flash the G apps zip in your custom recovery. So let's proceed now into the settings. So the settings of this room looks like this. The first one is a PHH treble settings, where you can find how to disable or enable the navigation bar in your phone. And then about phone, here is the about phone DotOS version 5. As I said earlier, this is GSI test project and it is based on Android 11. See. Here you go, DROID on time, and then yes, GSI ARM64. And the security update of this room is February 5, 2021. This is the latest here. It's Android 11, guys. And let's proceed now to the notification panel here, or the quick settings. So as you can see, it's transparent, but I don't think it would yeah, it's in the camera, it's transparent there. We have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and do not disturb, flashlight, auto rotate, and many more. Also a dark theme, and we have also a built-in screen recording, which is pretty decent for this room. And also we have HOTSPOT and night light. So yeah, so let's now proceed the features of this room. So let's now go through the features of this room. So what's working on this room, guys, is the SIM card, the SD card is all detected, the Wi-Fi, the data, and all of this bloatware are pretty working on this room. And also the hidden features that I don't experience is that I think it's already working. And now let's proceed into the bugs of this room. So the first bug of this room, guys, is the offline charging. Since it is a GSI room, you can charge this phone while shut down or while the phone is off. You can charge. And the second bug is the brightness. When you slide the brightness to 0 or to low, you will get a black screen here. It's a black screen, guys. So don't set your brightness into 0 so that you never encounter the black screen. And the third bug is the camera. The camera is not working at all. It always says here, wait, focus. Ayun na focus. Here, camera error. Still can't connect to the camera. Try restarting your device. It always says that whenever I restart the device and then try open again the camera, it always says that. So the camera is a bug in this room. And the and the fourth bug is the flashlight. Actually, you can't use the flashlight here because it says here, flashlight, camera in use. Oh my god, camera focus. That's the 4th bug, and then the 5th bug is the Wi-Fi hotspot. You can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Here, let's give a try. It's turning on. Here, it will automatically turning off. And Wi-Fi hotspot is error. So this is not the 5th bug, Wi-Fi hotspot. And the 6th bug is the lead notification. Whenever you receive a text or a calls or app notification, the lead light here is not working. So that's the 6th bug. And then the 7th bug is there is no VOLTE in this room. There is no VOLTE support in this room. So that's the 7th bug. And also not working is the AOD. Let's give an example here. Yeah, always on display, feature control not supported. So there is no AOD support in this room anyways. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you like this room, and if you like this room, give it a try. The download links is in the description. You can try to download the room and try to flash that in your device. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a new video. See you next video, guys. Bye.